wrap up party है still. Success तो once the film is out हमें पता चलेगा. For now we're just celebrating क्योंकि जो भी response आया है trailer के लिए it's been very good. So we're just meeting up to celebrate. Success we'll see later. Touch wood.
आप क्या कहेंगे ब्लैक मूवी के बारे में, क्या कहेंगे सनी जी? आप ब्लैक के बारे में क्या थर्ड मे को रिलीज होने वाली है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I think firstly I'm very excited to be a part of the film with such a good cast. Sunny sir, we are working with him for the first time. मेरा character बहुत ही अच्छा है इस film में. I'm playing a cop and I got to do action. It's very different from what I played before. So for me, it was an absolute yes when I heard the script. It's releasing in the next couple of weeks, not May, and I think people are really going to like it. The concept is very nice. It's about terrorism. It's about a guy who's involved but he doesn't remember anything. So the entire twist is whether he remembers or not. So I think people are going to like it. So for मेरा कैरेक्टर जो है मोस्टली मेरे सारे सीन्स सनी सर के साथ है. So I am with Julia. I report to him. It was a lot of fun working with him. Initially I was a little nervous, but in the end we all had a good time.
हम लोगों ने लिटरली खून पसीना बहाया है. इसने लिटरली खून बहा है क्योंकि बहुत सारे एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस थे. तो Ishita was brave enough to still go ahead and finish her take, you know, so that was very good. पिक्चर हम जब शूट करते हैं तो पता नहीं चलता है क्या हो रहा है, इतना कमोशन और इतनी मैडनेस रहती है. अब जाके जब रिलीज होने पे आया है, जो ट्रेलर का रिस्पांस मिला है उसके लिए हमें बहुत बहुत ऑडियंस का हम शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहेंगे.
Your debut film, are you nervous?
सच बोलना.
हाँ, no it feels great. मैंने ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे भी कहा था कि 2.5 साल से जुड़ा हूँ मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट से. तो now that it's finally completed और आप सब ने देखा है and the response that we got into the trailer has been amazing. So I'm very excited, nervous थोड़ा हूँ but more excited than nervous for sure.
करण, जब सनी साहब हो तो क्या कुछ कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कहाँ होता है?
I was more nervous actually, I've said that, than confident because इतने seasoned और experienced actor के साथ काम कर रहे हो तो obviously you're a little intimidated. पर जब shooting start हुई तो थोड़ा comfort zone में आ गया मैं और you know once you start then you sort of get you know into the motion of things तो easier हो जाता है.
So did Sunny ji mentor you for the film? Any tips, any guidance?
No, it definitely. I don't know about him mentoring me, but he definitely gave me some incredible advice. उन्होंने हमेशा मुझे काम रहने कहा और whenever I used to get like worked up or like nervous about anything, he just calmed me down and he told me to just take my time with it. So बहुत ही useful advice दी मुझे and I will remember it for the rest of my career. The conversations I had with him, I can't discuss everything in detail here, but yeah.
Ishita, what has been your experience now? Film is just due for release. You're celebrating the successful completion of the film. What do you have to say? When I got to know about the script and I spoke to Vishal and he told me this is the character, I was super excited. Firstly, I've always played roles which are very girl next door. So for me, ये एक बहुत ही अलग character था. I got to do action. हमने खून पसीना बहाया है. I have done both and I did a lot of action. It was fun. I really enjoyed working with the entire team, especially both the Karans and Sunny sir of course. Mostly most of my scenes are with Sunny sir. I got to learn a lot from them.
That's why she signed the film कि मैं सिर्फ करण के साथ काम करूँगी और सनी सर के साथ भी काम करे बोले क्योंकि आपके बेटे का नाम करण है इसलिए. एंड लिटरली खून पसीना मतलब खून तो बहा है ही. पसीना तो अभी भी बह रहा है हमारा बिकॉज हम थोड़े से आई मीन ऑनेस्टली अगर आप पूछो तो एक एक्साइटमेंट के साथ जो नर्वसनेस अभी जाके निकलती है जब शूट कर रहे होते हैं. वैसे करण ने ये नहीं बताया कि मैंने एडवाइस क्या दिया था इसे. You know, मेरे बारे में तो तूने बताया नहीं.
इसने मुझे फिजिकल एडवाइस दिया कि जब भी कोई आपको फेक पंच कर रहा है तो डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना चाहिए. कि जब हमारा पहला एक्शन सीक्वेंस था there was a little misjudgment and I got punched for real.
तो उसके लिए मैं अभी भी मैं उस दिन मैंने सोचा था कि पैकअप होने वाला है honestly, but he is a great sport और मैंने उसको हमेशा बोला था कि बॉस डोंट डू योर ओन स्टंट्स अगर तुझे लगता है डेंजरस है. जो आप ट्रेलर में सीक्वेंस देखते हैं जब सनी सर इसे पंच मारते हैं और जो वो पत्थर पे गिरता है लिटरली फेस डाउन गिरा है. So hats off to them.
I think most of the actions you have
not only that everyone's done amazing. Everyone's done their own stunts.
I think that's what's incredible.
इसे तो अपने हाथ काट लिए थे है ना.
हाँ. But not during action, but anyway.
अक्षय आपकी फिल्म प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, सब आगे बढ़कर आपको प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. कुछ खास तौर पे एडवाइस भी दी उन्होंने या
नहीं, they just told me कि give it your best और advice तो मतलब they told me that it's going to be hard और you know you have to be sort of confident with whatever you do. But जब भी उन्होंने फिल्म देखा, जो भी कुछ rushes, पूरी फिल्म तो देखी नहीं है, I think they were also more confident in what I've done. So they just told me कि जो कर रहे हो वही करते रहो और काम आते रहेगा, hopefully, touch wood.
Okay, Akshay sir have also done a special song in your movie and you have also posted it. Would you like to say something about it?
No, but the song is going to be out really soon. मतलब ये महीने में आने वाला है गाना. So आप लोग देख सकते हो. अभी मैं कुछ खराब नहीं करना चाहता हूँ सॉन्ग के बारे में बात करने.
काफ़ी एक्टर्स हैं जो डेब्यू कर रहे हैं बॉलीवुड में. अगर देखा जाए 2018 to 19 तो कुछ प्रेशर भी आता है कि आप इनसे कम्पीट करना है या
नहीं, I said this on the trailer launch also. I think बहुत अच्छी बात है कि यंग एक्टर्स आ रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री में. बहुत सारे स्टोरीज है और स्क्रिप्ट्स है दैट डिजर्व टू बी मेड एंड वी नीड एक्टर्स टू प्ले दोज पार्ट्स. So I think it's a good thing. Competition is healthy. It keeps us going. It drives us to do better. So I think it's only good for our industry that you know we have new actors coming through.
करण जी, लास्टली आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे सिन सिटी के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे? आज रात में
Each one of you, the ambience of Sin City, what do you have to say?
We're really happy with it. Thank you for the great hospitality and goes for all.
It's amazing. I was in fact thinking that maybe after this we can go and sing a little because
Join him.
I can definitely join
Little
him. Sing.
karaoke.
It's really nice. Yeah, I love karaoke. So yeah, thank you for having us.
No, it's my first time here. I really like the place. I'm definitely going to come back with my friends. Hopefully when I don't wear a jacket and I'm not sweating profusely. But yeah, I'm definitely going to come back here soon.
लास्टली इलेक्शन का माहौल है, कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे एज ए यूथ इंडियंस को कुछ मैसेज?
Yeah, I just want to say that you should vote only if you're 100% confident. I see a lot of people जो कहते हैं कि you know मैं इसको वोट दूंगा उसको वोट दूंगा, but you know they say it's the lesser of two evils or whatever. But you should be educated in terms of who you're voting for, and you know there's no pressure. I think it's as much a part of democracy to not vote as it is to vote. So if you are voting, be confident about who you're voting for, and that's about all I'd like to say.
I think the same what he said, that it's I feel it's very important. It's very easy to sit at home and complain about कि ये नहीं होता वो नहीं होता, but as citizens it's a responsibility to go and vote. I do that every year, and of course when you're doing that, please research, think about it and make the right choice.
What's your thoughts?
ऑन वोटिंग, अरे यार वोट करना चाहिए. उठो, टाइम निकालो, 10 मिनट लगते हैं. इट्स सुपर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और आप लोग अपना डिसीजन करो. गूगल आपके फिंगर टिप्स पे है, आपकी गवर्नमेंट आपके सामने है, आगे 5 साल में क्या होने वाला है आपके सामने है. अगर अच्छा आपको कुछ चाहिए तो बॉस गेट अप एंड स्टार्ट वोटिंग. दैट्स इट.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Best of luck.
Very complicated.
I am not going to comment on it.
What do you think? Do you think growth is going on in the country last 5 years?
What is it?
Growth हो रहा है क्या आपको लग रहा है देश में?
I mean, it depends who you ask, really. So I would really not like to. I am not actually, to be honest, I am not politically inclined one bit. मैं बिल्कुल politics follow नहीं करता, because I don't think that I can sort of add anything to this debate because I'm not educated enough to talk about it. So I am not following politics at all to be able to comment.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you.